Hey guys, welcome back my video channel, video concrete aka Bente. I'm cooking potato, wedges and French fries. This one is the potato. I have two. So now I already cut. So now I want to cut these two only. Okay. So I put here. Okay. All done. Now I want to cut it lah. So this one I always want. This one wedges and this one is French fries. So now I take this one. I want to take oil later inside there. Okay, all done. So now this French fry, potato wedges. Now I want to take oil inside here. Okay, so the oil I must put it first. So here, open it. Neat. Now I put inside here. Wow, so many oils put here. Okay, put a bit oil. Okay, so okay. Now I just want to cooking the potato. Yeah. So, what do you like? The potatoes. I do it myself. Yeah. Oh, it's rice. I want to off it. Okay, so I put here. Now put here. Okay, there. Now I cooking. So now a little bit higher. So where is it? Hey. Me. Wow! Already done. Ta-da! Okay. Oh. You see? I will cooking. Okay. Now I want to pick up. And then also, some wedges also, French fries also. So this one lah. So okay, I pick up later. Hi guys. Okay lah. So this one is all my review about I want to tutorial lah how I want to cook my French fries and potato wedges. Okay lah guys, so whatever, if you like this video, don't forget press the subscribe, press the bell button and press the like button lah, and share to your friend share to your friend lah about this video. Next time we can meet again lah. Okay lah, see you soon lah. Okay lah, take care, goodbye.